Question number 7. In cesium chloride structure, the coordination number of Cs plus is A 8, B 4, C 6, and D 2. Now, whenever we are looking at the ionic compounds, okay, so in the ionic compounds, if the two types of ions, okay, if the ions have almost similar sizes, in case if the size is similar, then in this particular case, the ratio of these ions will become as 1:1. Okay, for example, in the case of if we see in the case of the cesium chloride. Okay, so in the cesium chloride, what happens is the cesium have a size of around 174 picometers. Okay, so they have a radius of 174 picometer radius. While that of the chloride ions, when we observe, it is around 181 picometers. Okay, thus, in such cases, it gives rise to the cubic structures. Okay, it is going to be the simple cubic structure. Right? So now, in the case of the simple cubic structure, what usually happens is that if we consider this as a cube, over here, so in this scenario, what one would observe is that the cesium ion is in the center, while the other ones, that is the chlorides, are at the regular corners of a cube, something like these. Okay, these are the cubes, right? So now, in this case, if we observe, in the center one, we have the we have the cesium, extremely sorry. So now, this cesium is going to be connected. It is going to be connected to all these particular atoms. Now, before going further, we need to understand that this is a simple cubic structure wherein there are the chlorides at 8 corners. Correct? So therefore, 8 into 1 by 8, that is a contribution, and that is going to be 1. While cesium is at the center, its contribution is completely 1, and so therefore the total number of atoms are 2. Now, in any particular case, when the atom is present in a center, okay, so that time what usually happens is that this particular atom is going to be connected to the 4 atoms on the top side. It is going to be connected to the 4 atoms at the bottom. So if we consider the cesium is connected to the 4 chlorine atoms above and 4 chlorine atoms below. So therefore, as it is connected to 4 and 4, that is totally 8. So therefore, the coordination number is 8.